If you're encountering an upload error on Lever TRM 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check file format. Ensure that the file you are trying to upload is in a supported format. Lever TRM typically accepts formats such as PDF, docx, and images like JPG or PNG. If your file is in an unsupported format, convert it to one of the accepted types. Step 2. Verify file size. Check the size of the file you are attempting to upload. Lever TRM may have a maximum file size limit. If your file exceeds this limit, reduce the file size by compressing it or splitting it into smaller parts. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with file uploads. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt the upload again. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, reach out to Lever TRM's support team for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and the steps you have already taken to troubleshoot. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the upload error on Lever TRM 2026. If the problem continues, don't hesitate to seek further help from customer support.